Mirabelle members, exciting things are happening around the clubhouse this week. Please continue to watch for the exciting emails of all the operating procedures and protocols for fitness and dining. We anticipate openings next week. And now for your weekly construction update. The private dining room is nearly complete. Furniture has been brought in and the overhead lighting has been installed. The salon is in the process of being completed. Only small details remain. The dining area is coming together and looking fabulous. Tables, chairs, and artwork have arrived. The fitness center is nearing completion. Don't forget to watch Jenny's video on current operating protocols and procedures. Finishing touches are being placed throughout the clubhouse. Please continue to watch for emails for dining and fitness protocols and operating procedures. Please make your reservations online for both fitness and dining next week. We can't wait to see you at the club.